Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're revved up to introduce you to the latest offering from Kia, the 2024 Kia Sportage. This SUV is not just a mode of transportation, it's a statement. Let's explore why. First impressions matter, and the 2024 Kia Sportage certainly makes a lasting one. Its bold, sculpted exterior lines exude confidence, while the signature tiger nose grille commands attention on the road. LED headlights and taillights add a touch of sophistication, ensuring that you stand out no matter where your journey takes you. What's new for 2024? After a major overhaul last year, the Kia Sportage sees some less dramatic changes for 2024. Kia fits airbags to the second-row seats and LED projector headlights as standard equipment on all Sportage models. The all-wheel drive SX trim is dropped for 2024. Engine, transmission, and performance. The Sportage's default powertrain is a 187 HP 2.5-liter four-cylinder that mates to an 8-speed automatic transmission and either front or all-wheel drive. We sampled both the base four-cylinder and the hybrid powertrain during our initial test drive and were more satisfied with the hybrid. At our test track, the non-hybrid Sportage needed 9.1 seconds to hit 60 miles per hour versus only 7.4 seconds for the hybrid. The Sportage rides on a new platform with a longer wheelbase than the previous generation, and ride comfort is improved as a result. The introduction of rugged-looking trims such as the X-Line gives the compact ute an off-road vibe, but the X Pro actually has some equipment to help tackle the rough stuff. It rides on black 17-inch rims and all-terrain tires and features a selection of drive modes. Though compact crossovers aren't really the best option for consistent trailering use, the Kia Sportage does have a maximum towing capacity of 2,500 pounds, but only if it's been equipped with an aftermarket trailer brake controller. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The Sportage is rated for 25 mpg city and 32 mpg highway when equipped with front-wheel drive. All-wheel drive models are EPA rated for 23 mpg city and 28 mpg highway. On our 75 mph fuel economy route, the all-wheel drive Sportage X Pro Prestige returned 31 mpg. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Inside, the Sportage makes an impression with a snazzy design, highlighted by a huge digital display on the dashboard and other various eye-catching details. The interior is available in an attractive two-tone color scheme as an option, but if you prefer an all-black cabin, that's available too. The center console boasts a rotary shift knob, a push-to-start button, and a myriad of other controls that blend into the piano black bezel. Thanks to bigger dimensions overall, as well as a longer wheelbase, the Sportage has more rear seat legroom and 40 cubic feet of cargo space behind the back seat. There's also dual-level cargo, infotainment, and connectivity. On the infotainment front, the Sportage comes standard with desirable features such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. An 8.0-inch infotainment display is standard, and all models come with a digital gauge display, too. We'd suggest upgrading to the larger infotainment display, though, which measures 12.3 inches in diameter and provides more connectivity and crisper graphics. There are also neat touch-sensitive controls below the infotainment interface that alternate between the climate system and the stereo. An upgraded Harman Kardon unit is available, as well as a wireless phone charger and a subscription-based Wi-Fi hotspot. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2024 Kia Sportage starts at $28,565 and goes up to $39,365 depending on the trim and options. So, there you have it, folks, the 2024 Kia Sportage. With its striking design, powerful performance, and luxurious interior, this SUV is redefining what it means to drive in style. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy driving. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive content. See you in the next video.